Stand on up and join me for a quick stretch break. We have a dynamic stretch directly followed by a static stretch. The first stretch we're going to do is going to be a wide-legged hinge. So you're going to take a nice wide stance, toes face directly in front of you. And from here, you're going to hinge from the hips, reach those hands down towards the floor as far as you feel comfortable, and then stand straight back up. We'll be here for about 30 seconds. So let's go ahead, hinge, and stand, hinge, and stand. Remember, you go down as far as you feel comfortable, okay? That might mean reaching down all the way to the floor. It might mean going halfway, a quarter of the way. Listen to your body. Whenever you feel that stretch in the back of your legs, go ahead and stand back up. Okay, just a few more here. Hinge and stand. And on this next one, I want you to go ahead and hold the position down towards the ground. So hands are reaching down towards the ground. And whenever you feel that stretch in the back of the legs, again, that's where you're holding it. Okay? So hinge forward. We turn that dynamic stretch into a static stretch here. Great stretch for the hamstrings as well as the low back. Last few seconds here. Keep reaching those hands down. Let's go for 3, 2, head, stand on up. Let's move into the upper body with some butterfly arms. Hands go right behind the ears, elbows point out. Close those elbows and open. Close and open. So fingertips stay on the ears the whole time, and you're just moving those elbows forward and back. So start to loosen up through your shoulders and your chest and your back. Every time you bring those elbows out to the side, squeeze those shoulder blades together. And the next time your arms are open, I want you to hold it here. So fingers gently behind the ears, and pretend someone's behind you and they're pulling on your elbows. And you're just holding. Nice stretch, again, in the front of your chest and shoulders. Take notice if you're shrugging those shoulders up, relax them down. Relax those shoulders, draw those elbows back. Breathe. Nice big inhales and exhales. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release those arms down. Back to the lower body. We're going to do some heel tap hinges. So you're going to alternate tapping your heels out in front of you one at a time, and at the same time, hinge from the hips, reaching your hands down towards your toes. All right, about 30 seconds here. Okay, so hinge, forward, reaching down towards the toes. And this is another one. You reach down as far as you can. Maybe it's halfway, maybe it's 3/4 of the way, maybe it's all the way down. Let's do one more on each side. Last one. All right, now we're gonna turn into a static stretch. Right heel on the ground, toes up, hinge forward, reach those hands down towards your toes. And let's hold here. Okay, so whatever leg is in the front. So I'm doing the right leg. Hopefully you're feeling that stretch like I am in that hamstring. So nice deep breaths. And feel free, you can rest your hand on that opposite thigh. A little bit of support. Less than 10 seconds on this side. And heel is on the ground, toes up. That leg that's out in front is nice and straight. Stand on up. Same thing other side. Okay, bring that opposite leg in front of you. Heel on the ground, toes up. Hinge from the hips. Maintain that nice flat back. And hold here. Focus on that breath. Allow that breath to help you relax into the stretch. Static hamstring stretch. And just like the other side, you can either rest your hands on the opposite thigh, or you can just reach those hands down towards your toes. 3, 2, and 1. Stand on up. Lateral arm swings. Arms come out to the side. Swing those arms forward and back. Alternate what arm goes on top each time you swing those arms forward. So another one to loosen up your shoulders and open up your chest a little bit. Take a break from that hunch forward position from sitting in front of the computer. 10 more seconds of our arm swings. Forward and back. Forward and back. 3, 2, and 1. take your right arm across your body here and take the left hand and pull that right arm in towards your body so you feel that stretch in the right shoulder. And just pause here. We'll do 30 seconds each side. And this is another one. Take notice of those shoulders. If you feel like you're shrugging them up, relax them down. Relax the muscle. It's going to help you benefit from that stretch more. Last few on this side. See if you can pull that arm in maybe just a little bit closer towards your body. And let's go ahead and switch sides. The left arm comes across your body. Okay, take that right hand, pull that left arm in, and pause here. If it helps you relax in this stretch to close your eyes, feel free to close your eyes. We're only here for 30 seconds and we're already about halfway through. This is our last stretch. So we are almost done. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and release your arms. Now let's wrap on up with a big inhale and exhale. Inhale those arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale them down towards the floor. And there you go. You moved, you stretched, you took a stand for your health.